A flat major scale in two octaves on the violin. So you have the notes A flat, B flat, C, D flat, E flat, F, G, A flat, B flat, C, D flat, E flat, F, G, and A flat. In descending order, you have your A flat, G, F, E flat, D flat, C, B flat, A flat, G, F, E flat, D flat, C, B flat, and then A flat. In solfa notation, you have this as your do, your re, your mi, your fa, your sol, your la, your ti, your do, your re, your mi, your fa, your sol, your la, your ti, and your do. In descending order, you have your do, your ti, your la, your sol, your fa, your mi, your re, your do, your ti, la, your sol, fa, your mi, your re, and then do. Now you could observe that your third and fourth finger are both closed, semitones apart on both the G and D string, while your second and third finger are closed on the A and E string. I'll play the A flat major scale now in two octaves on the violin. So that's your A flat major scale in two octaves on the violin.